Creating a bid for a big box location works no different than any other bid. As always, once I'm on the screen, I'm either going to select an existing sitemap or go ahead and create my own. For the sake of this bid, we're just going to work off of Walmart 2719. You can always confirm the name of your site and location by looking on this right-hand column. Once I've done that, begin to allocate your equipment and material. You can either allocate equipment and material to the entire lot or break down the individual lots based on the piece of equipment. Always good to note that you can always allocate multiple pieces of equipment on one given lot. As equipment and material get allocated on your site, you'll see the different price breaks between your per push, per event, and seasonal accounts. You can always change your levels of service to justify and tweak the numbers. Once you're all done, export, and your bidding is all set.